Have you ever imagined a passenger plane flying peacefully in a clear blue sky, the pilot talking calmly to the control tower, and then, in a single silent second, the plane vanishing from existence without an explosion, without a crash, without leaving behind even a single piece of metal? And what if I told you that there is a place on Earth where this has not happened once or twice, but hundreds of times, where ships, planes, and entire crews have disappeared as if they were erased from reality itself? If you want to know the truth behind these mysteries, stay with this video till the end, because today we are entering the most dangerous and unexplained region on our planet, Bermuda Triangle. Deep inside the Atlantic Ocean, between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, lies a silent stretch of water that looks completely normal from above. The waves move gently, the sky often looks clear, and thousands of ships and airplanes pass over it every year without any problem. But hidden beneath this calm surface is a history so dark and terrifying that for decades it has haunted sailors, pilots, scientists, and governments alike. The story of the Bermuda Triangle did not begin with modern airplanes. Centuries ago, sailors used to whisper about a cursed sea where their compasses behaved strangely and stars in the sky appeared to shift position. Some claimed that strange lights would rise from the water at night, glowing like fire beneath the waves. Many ships that entered these waters were never seen again, and those that returned spoke of sudden fog, violent winds, and a terrifying feeling that time itself had slowed down. One of the chilling incidents occurred on December 5, 1945. 5 U.S. Navy training aircraft took off on a routine mission. The weather was clear, the pilots were experienced, and everything was normal. Then, something went terribly wrong. The lead pilot radioed that his compass was no longer working. Another pilot reported that the ocean looked wrong. They said they could no longer recognize the direction of the sun. Soon, their voices became confused, filled with fear. Minutes later, all communication was lost. The 5 planes, along with 14 crew members, vanished without a trace. A rescue aircraft was sent to search for them, and it, too, disappeared. Till this day, not a single piece of wreckage from those 6 aircraft has ever been found. Years before that, a mysterious ship was discovered drifting alone in the ocean. Its name was Mary Celeste. When rescuers boarded the vessel, they found food still on the table, personal belongings untouched, and the ship perfectly seaworthy. But the entire crew had vanished. No signs of violence, no storm damage, no explanation. It was as if every soul on board had simply faded into thin air. One of the strangest features of this region is the behavior of navigation instruments. In the Bermuda Triangle, compasses often spin without reason. Pilots report that their modern navigation systems suddenly fail. Direction becomes meaningless. Some aircraft are said to have been flying in straight lines, when in reality, they were moving in wide circles over the ocean until their fuel ran out. And when rescue teams arrive, they find nothing but endless water. Even more unsettling are the reports about time distortion. Several pilots and sailors who survived their journey through the Triangle described a terrifying phenomenon. According to them, their flights lasted only a few minutes, yet when they landed, they discovered that hours had passed. Their watches showed a different time from the clocks on the ground. It was as if they had slipped into a gap in time itself. This strange behavior led many to believe that the Bermuda Triangle is not just a dangerous ocean zone, but a doorway to another dimension. Some theories suggest that powerful energy fields exist beneath the water, capable of bending space and time. Others believe the area acts like a massive natural trap, where reality becomes unstable. Then came the theories of extraterrestrial involvement.
UFO enthusiasts claim that the Bermuda Triangle is a secret alien base hidden beneath the ocean. They believe that advanced, unidentified flying objects use this area to enter and leave our world, and when a human ship or plane comes too close, it is taken for research. Supporters of this theory argue that this explains why there is no wreckage, because there is no crash, only abduction. Another haunting theory connects the Bermuda Triangle to the legendary lost city of Atlantis. Ancient Greek philosopher Plato once wrote about a powerful civilization that existed thousands of years ago and suddenly sank beneath the sea in a single day and night of destruction. According to some researchers, Atlantis was far more technologically advanced than modern civilization, and its energy systems still emit strange forces from beneath the ocean floor. These forces, they claim, may still be active today, pulling ships and planes toward their doom. Science, of course, offers its own explanations. Beneath the ocean in this region are massive pockets of methane gas. When this gas is suddenly released, it can reduce the density of the water so drastically that a ship can no longer float and sinks instantly. In the air, methane can disrupt aircraft engines and cause sudden loss of power. The Bermuda Triangle is also one of the most storm-prone regions of the ocean, where violent hurricanes and rogue waves can appear without warning. But even scientists admit one troubling fact. These explanations do not fully explain why so much wreckage and so many bodies are never found. Even in recent years, strange disappearances continued to be reported. Small aircraft vanish from radar. Fishing boats fail to return to shore. Emergency signals are received and then suddenly cut off forever. Sometimes there is no distress call at all, only silence. The official records often describe these events as accidents caused by weather or human error. But relatives of the missing are left with no answers, only questions that will never be resolved. Some survivors who pass through the triangle speak of an experience that sounds more like a nightmare than reality. They describe the sky suddenly changing color to deep green and blue. The air becomes heavy, the ocean turns unnaturally calm, and a strange humming sound fills the cockpit. Then, without warning, everything returns to normal. Yet, when they land, they discover missing time, sometimes hours, sometimes more. Governments around the world publicly deny that the Bermuda Triangle hides any supernatural secret. They classify it as a normal shipping route with natural dangers. But many researchers believe that the full truth is still hidden from the public. They claim that military experiments, classified technology tests, and advanced energy research may all play a role in the mysteries of this region. Today, thousands of commercial flights still pass safely over the Bermuda Triangle every year. Massive ships move across its waters carrying cargo worth billions of dollars. Life goes on as if nothing is wrong. And yet, deep beneath the surface, the ocean keeps its secrets locked in silence. Because the terrifying truth is this: for every mystery that has been partially explained, dozens of disappearances remain completely unsolved. No black boxes, no emergency signals, no floating debris, just a name added to a growing list of the forgotten. So, the question still remains. Is the Bermuda Triangle merely a dangerous natural zone shaped by gas, storms, and magnetic fields? Or is it something far more terrifying, a gateway to forces that humanity does not yet understand? The ocean does not speak, the sky gives no answers, and the Bermuda Triangle continues to wait, silent, mysterious, and hungry.